So now we will going to start with Facebook ads and Google Tag Manager. If you are running Facebook ads, so it's very much beneficial for you guys, because here we will going to cover most important four broad things. That will be how to set up Facebook pixel using Google Tag Manager. We have already discussed it, but we will going to explain you one more time. After we will do this, then we will going to discuss how you can track add to cart, wishlist events, content view, and how you can track your purchase event. Okay, so these are the all important things which you will going to learn by connecting your Facebook ads with Google Tag Manager, and it's very easy, friends. Also, one more thing I want to tell you, that whatever you want to track, so those things are considered as events. So whether you want to track your add to cart, wishlist events, we will going to talk about these things in deep, how it will going to help you and everything. But basically you need to learn that whatever we track, we have to create one special event for them. Okay, so that we can track these things. Now we will going to start with how you can set up your Facebook pixel using Google Tag Manager. How you can connect your Facebook pixel with the help of Google Tag Manager to send all your informations to your Facebook ads account. So I have written, with the help of Facebook pixel you can send informations to Facebook ads so that you can do future marketing. So for that purpose, we generally use Facebook pixel to track the behavior of people who are visiting to our website. So according to that, we can create some custom audiences in Facebook ads, and we can retarget to them, or you can say remarket to them, so that they can buy our product and services. So it's very much important, you guys, to track the information. So as we all know that we have one Facebook pixel, we will going to get this code from our ad account. Very simple. We will going to put this code to Google Tag Manager, and when we will going to put this Facebook pixel to our Google Tag Manager, then our website will automatically going to get connected with your Facebook ads account and Google Tag Manager. Very simple. So with the help of this, your Facebook pixel and Google Tag Manager and your website will be automatically connected with each other. Then we will going to give one instruction to Google Tag Manager, that our triggers or instruction must be all pages view. Okay, so now let's do this in practically. Just go and type here business.facebook.com. Then you will going to go to your Facebook business suite. If you want to learn lots of things about Facebook business suite and everything about setup your ad account and everything, very down in bonus section I provided one link of my course of Facebook ads. You can watch that course and learn everything about Facebook ads. Now if you will click on more tools, and from here if you will go to your event manager, if you will click here, so now you are in event manager. So from here you simply have to click on this continue pixel setup, click on install code manually. Now you just need to copy this code. Okay, this is one code. You simply have to click on this copy code button. When you will do this, just go to your Google Tag Manager, and now friends, we will going to create one separate folder for this purpose. So just click on new folder, write it, for example, for Facebook X, then I can write pixel setup. Then I will simply going to click on create. Okay, done. Facebook ads pixel setup. So now this folder is created. So now I need to go to tags, and now friends, as I have told you that this Facebook pixel is tag, it is one tag. We need to connect this tag, or you can say Facebook pixel, which is one code, to our Google Tag Manager. So we will going to go to tags, and from here we will going to click on new, and from here we can just name it Facebook pixel, and here you can see the folder option. From here you can put this tag inside your Facebook pixel folder, and after you will do this, just click here, and friend, scroll down, here you will see custom HTML. Just select this, and here you need to paste the code which you have copied from your Facebook pixel. Just copy this code and just go to Google Tag Manager and just paste the code over here like this. And after you will do that, just click on save. Now it is asking to add triggers. Click on add triggers. Now we have decided that we will going to trigger for all pages view. So here we are getting one option of all pages. We will going to select this, and now we have added trigger for this tag, and after you will do this, just click on save. So now friends, we have successfully connected our Facebook pixel to our Google Tag Manager, and it is automatically connected with our website. Now let's first preview it, and let's see whether our website is successfully connected or not. Just click on preview. Just put the URL of your website, whatever the URL of your website, you have to put it here, and then click on connect. So friends, you have come to your website. Now just go to your Google Tag Manager and click on continue. and from here you can see it is written tag fired. That means the pixel which we have just now added has been fired. That means we have successfully connected our Facebook pixel to our Google Tag Manager, and it is automatically connected with our website. Super simple. So now we have to just click on submit. Just name the version so that whenever you will see this version name, you will be easily understand what this version is all about. So I can write Facebook pixel setup. I can just paste it here, and I can write the description. So I've written the description. I have connected Facebook Ads account to GTM using Facebook pixel code. Then just click on submit. Again, just go to workspace. Now just go to tags. So friends, this is how this works. Now we will going to teach you how you can track add to cart or wishlist events. So it's very easy, friends. So what is this add to cart? So if any people who visited your website, if they have put any of your product and services inside your add to cart, so those people are kind of interested people because they are very much interested in that product and services, and that's the reason they have added your product and services to your cart or shopping cart. Okay, so you can do remarketing using Facebook custom audiences, where you can show ads whenever that same person visit FB again or FB associated website to compel him to buy. So after you will put the tracking event for this add to cart, so what will happen, you can create one custom Facebook audiences. So all the people who have added your product and service to your shopping cart, you can create those audiences custom list, and you can show them ads again whenever they open the FB or in any of the FB associated website. So you can compel them and you can make them to buy, because see here what actually happen is people are adding products and services to cart but they are not purchasing it. Okay, so that's the reason we have to show them advertisement again, and we have to compel them, hey guys, you have added this product to your cart, so kindly continue the purchase and make payment to us. So for this purpose we use this system. So what we need to do, we need to take the use of custom tag. So we need to put one event tag for this add to cart. Okay, so Facebook has provided us some event code for add to cart, and there are many other event code which I will going to teach you. You just have to put those code in Google Tag Manager, and you have to put the trigger that whenever someone will click on add to cart button, so show that information to third party, that is Facebook ads. So you just simply need to put one code of add to cart to Google Tag Manager, and you have to put one trigger of text that whenever someone will click on add to cart button of my website, then show those information to Facebook ads. Very simple. So it is my Google Tag Manager. Now friends, one more thing, when you have connected your Facebook pixel, so when you will connect it, it will show like this. It will show that your website is connected. It will show the pixel ID. So these are all the information it will going to show. Also it can show one pop-out like this, for example, from the pixel open event setup tool. So it can even show you this information. So you have to just put the website URL of your website. So this is the URL of my website. I will just go to event manager, and I will put this URL to my website, and I will simply going to click on open website. So now Facebook pixel will going to open my website, and it will show one tool. You can see it will automatically going to show one tool. So this means that your pixel is successfully connected with your website with the help of Google Tag Manager. Okay, so keep this thing in mind, and also make sure that try with HTTP and HTTPS. So last time when I was putting the URL, so it was HTTP. So when I clicked on open website, so it was not showing me that tool. So make sure that if you also face that problem, so add S in your URL and then try to open it, then most probably you will going to get that box. Okay, so we will going to talk about that thing in later on, but right now we need to add events. So what you need to do, friends, you need to search on Google Facebook standard event code. You simply have to search this, that is Facebook standard events code. I will also provide the link in the resources page down of this video, so you can check this URL. Okay, specifications for Facebook pixel standard event. So you simply have to click on this URL, and then you will come over here. So these are the codes which Facebook has provided us, which we can use and track different events. So right now for our purpose, you can see that we only going to put add to cart, wishlist event, content view, and our purchase events. So you can see here it add to cart, add to wishlist. Also there is content view option. You can see content view, and most used one is purchase, and there are many others, okay, which you can also use. I will going to teach you how you can add that, and putting everything is very much similar, which I will going to teach you right now. So first is our add to cart one. Okay, so friends, here you will see standard event code. You simply have to copy this code like this. Just copy this code, and in resources page, friends, I have provided you this script. So what you need to do first, you just need to copy this code, just copy this and just paste this code here again, and here you will see this code, just copy this code, that is add to cart, and you can see here we have this code. So just replace that with the help of the code which I have copied from Facebook article. So just paste that code like this. So now it has become total code which you have to copy. Just copy this code total like this and just go to your Google Tag Manager, and from here just click on tags and just click on new and make the tag name, for example, Facebook add to cart tag, and you can put that inside Facebook Ads Pixel setup in this folder if you want to. Then just click on this pencil button and from here just search custom HTML. Now friends, see, if we talk in this diagram, so this is the code which we have just now made. This is the code, this is our custom code. So this is our code which we have to put it or connect it with Google Tag Manager. Okay, so we are doing that. So here is the code. You simply have to paste that code over here like this. After you will do this, friends, now we have to put one trigger. So here you can see we have put code to Google Tag Manager. Now we need to define one trigger. So here we have written click on text add to cart button. That means I am giving instruction to Google Tag Manager that whenever someone will come to my website, or if he clicks on this add to cart, just focus here, add to cart, so track those people who click on this add to cart button. Okay, so again just go to Google Tag Manager. Now friends, you need to click on this edit button like this, and now we need to define one button of add to cart. So it's not available here, so we will going to click on this plus button, and from here you can again just name it FB add to cart. You can also put it under your Facebook Ads Pixel setup, and from here just click on this pencil button, and from here just click on just links. After you will do this, click on some link clicks, and from here just select click text. Why we have chosen click text? Because here it is written add to cart, so we want that someone will click on this text that is add to cart, so that we can track this type of people. Okay, so just go to Google Tag Manager, contains. Now friends, so here when you will write add to cart, see here, make sure that in your website it can be written as add to basket, so you need to write the exact text. Okay, so in my case it is written add to cart. A is in big letter and other are in small, so I will just write exactly like this. A must be in big, others will be in small, add to cart. So in your case it can be add to basket or anything. Okay, so after you will do this, just click on save. Again just click on save. So we have added this functionality, so now we can easily track people who have clicked on our add to cart button. So this is how you can do whenever you want to track any kind of button. So friends, this is very much similar to the wish list. If you also want to track about wish list, this is the wish list. So if you want to track the wish list, whenever someone will click on wish list or they put any of your product and service inside wish list, so if you want to track those people, then you can follow the same procedure. Here you will going to get your add to wish list code. Just copy this code and just replace that code with wishlist code, and it will going to form one complete code. Just copy that and do the similar process. Now we have put this. Now friends, we need to publish that, but before that we need to preview it whether it is working or not. So just click on preview, put your website URL, that is https://academy.bingcommerce.in is my website URL. So I have put that, and then click on connect. So friends, our debug mode is on. You can see it is connected. Now just go to your tag assistant and click on continue. Now friends, here you can see under tags it is showing tag not fired, and here it is FB add to cart tag is not yet fired because we have not yet clicked. Okay, so let's go and click on this add to cart. Now if you will again go here, so now friends, you will find that our FB add to cart tag is fired. Now you can see fired one time. So it takes some time, but wait for it. Okay, so it will going to show that it is fired. So our add to cart tag or event is completely working fine. So hope you guys have learned about how to add to cart, and it is very much similar with wishlist. Okay, and friends, make sure that you publish it or submit it. Okay, so just name the version and description and then click on publish. Now we will going to track content view. So now what is this? So for example, if you have any blog page, or if you have any product page, or if you have any kind of article or anything, so if you want to track how many people have come to that specific page, so you can do that. And again, it's very easy. Now in this method we will going to use one trigger of page URL. In previous case we have teach you with text. Okay, so you can use many methods. So for everything you have multiple methods. Okay, so in this case we will going to go with view page URL as a trigger. So now let's understand it. For example, you can see this is my website, and for example this is one of my course, or you can say product. Now I want to track how many people are coming over here. Okay, I want to track this. How I can do that? It's very easy. Now you can see we have this URL, so we will going to use this URL because here in the trigger we have said that we will going to use page URL for this purpose. Okay, so for this page my URL is this, so you can track this page. So before that we can make our code. So I have told you friends, in download section I provided you this script. Just again copy this and paste that same code over here like this. Now just go to your same specification for Facebook, and here you can see at very bottom we have view content. Just copy this code carefully like this. Just go to your this code, and in place of this code just replace it with the code which you have just copied from Facebook article like this. Now it has become full code. Just copy the full code. Now just copy this, very simple. Just go to Google Tag Manager, click on tags. Now we need to add one new tag. Click on new. Just name this tag, for example Facebook content Google Ads course tag. Very simple. I will put it inside Facebook Ads pixel setup. If you want to, you can do that. It's totally optional. Then click on this pencil button. Then just scroll down and click on this custom HTML. Paste that code which you have just now created with the help of the script which I have provided you. After you will do this, you have successfully connected or put tag to your Google Tag Manager of view content. So here, if we will show with you diagram again, you can see this was the code, or you can say tag. Okay, and we have connected this tag with our Google Tag Manager. Right now you can see this, we have connected our tag with our Google Tag Manager, and now we need to put trigger of page URL. Again, it's very simple. Just go and select this pencil button. Now we have to define one trigger. Now from here just click on plus, name this trigger, let's say content Facebook ads, content Google ads. Very simple. Then again click here, then click on page view like this. Click on some page views. Then friends, from here you just have to select page URL because we have to track the page and you have to make it equals to, and this was our URL. You just have to copy the URL. Just go to Google Tag Manager and paste the URL over here like this. Then click on save. Then again click on save. So you can see that we have connected our Google Tag Manager and we have defined the trigger for page URL. So now what will going to happen, actually this Google Tag Manager will going to send this information. That means whenever someone will visit to my this page URL, so it will going to send all those information to third party, that is Facebook ads. So again just click on save. Then after you will do this, just click on preview so that we can check whether it's working fine or not. Again put the URL of your website, then click on connect. So we have connected with our website. Just go here, click on connect. Now you can see that in tag it is showing tag not fired for this FB content Google Ads course. So let's first fire this tag by going to this page again. Go to this page and open the page. So we have opened the page. Then again just go to your tag assistant. Now friends, you can see it is showing Facebook content Google Ads course tag is fired. So we have implemented our tags and triggers very successfully, so that's the reason it is showing up here. Then after that you just need to submit it and just write the name, version name and your description, and then click on publish. Now we will going to track our purchase events. So this is the purchase event slide. Now here what we will going to do, so for example if someone has come to our website and he has purchased our product and service, so you will going to take him to one thank you page or order received page. How you can find that page, I will going to tell you. You can get custom thank you page, or it is by default you will going to get from website. Okay, so do not get worried. So what will going to happen, actually after someone will going to purchase from your website anything, so he will be redirected to one page that is called as thank you page or order received page. So if you want to track how many people have come to purchase event or your thank you page or order received page, so how you can do that with the help of Facebook ads and Google Tag Manager. Now what's the importance of this? So see friends, there's one basic logic. So a visitor will only going to come to your thank you page or order receive page when he will going to purchase something from your website. So these help us to track the conversion. So with the help of Facebook and Google Tag Manager, when it will show that this much people have come to your thank you page or order receive page, so we will going to get one confirmation that okay, this much people have purchased from our website. So for this purpose, we usually use our thank you page, and when they will come to your thank you page, Facebook will again going to record those people, and you can sell them your product and services in future again. So you can see here I've written after they will purchase from your website, you can again compel him to purchase from your website again for your new product and services. Okay, so now let's take it practical and let's see how you can do this. So we will have one thank you page event code, or you can say purchase event code. We will put it or connect it with Google Tag Manager. So let's first make our code. So just again go to your this Facebook article code, and here you will see we have down purchase code. We simply have to copy this code, but before we copy this code, just go to the script which I have provided. Just again copy it and paste it over here. Again go to Facebook article, and this was the purchase code. Just copy this code like this. Just replace this code. So this has become code. You can see now you have to completely copy this code. So friends, we have got our custom tag of purchase event code. Now you just have to connect it with your Google Tag Manager. Again, just go to your Google Tag Manager, go to tags, and just click on new. Then you can name it Facebook purchase tag, and if you want to, you can put it under one folder. It's totally optional. Then just click on this pencil button. From here, just go to custom HTML. Just paste the code which we have just created. Then friends, just go here and just click on this advanced settings. Okay, you will see this option. Just select this. From here, make sure that it is selected to once per event so that it not get duplicated. And after that, here you will see tag sequence. Select this fire tag before FB purchase tag fires. From select tag, make it Facebook tag, and from here just select the Facebook pixel. Okay, why we are doing this? So that we can ensure that our purchase has been successfully done or not. Okay, so that's the reason we are firing it before our purchase, so that we can ensure that the purchase has been done. So for this purpose, we have done these settings. Then scroll down. Now we have to define one trigger. Now friends, here you can see we have connected our tag with our Google Tag Manager. Now we need to define one page URL of thank you page. So we have to give instruction to Google Tag Manager with the help of trigger. So just click on this trigger edit button, and friends, from here just click on plus button and just name it. I will name Facebook purchase trigger. I want to put it inside one folder. It's optional. Then just click on this pencil button. From here just select page view, then click on some page view, and from here friends just make it page URL, and here make it contains, and here you can even write equals to or contain, but what value you will put it over here. So let me show you. For example, this is my website. Agree. For example, let me make my currency to Indian rupees because I'm Indian. Okay, so this is one product. I will select this product. I will just click on view cart, and I will just going to purchase it right now in front of you to show you the thank you page. Click on proceed to checkout. Just put India Chhattisgarh. Done. Everything is done. I will select cash on delivery, and then click on place order. Now friends, you can see it has taken me to my thank you page. Now one important thing, if you guys want to create one full website of online courses website like this, totally amazing website, you will going to get lots of conversion with the help of this website. I provided the link in down bonus section. Just check out and learn that thing. It will only going to benefit you a lot. Okay, so friends, here just focus on the URL. Here is the order number, but here after your website domain name you will find one URL. It will contain like this. It can be your thank you, or it can show even order received. So you just need to copy this. You can see I'm just copying this much. I'm copying the text after my domain, that is hash thank you woo. I will just copy this like this. Okay, so in your case it can show order received, so you can copy that. Even it can show thank you. Whatever it will show, you just have to copy that, and then just go to Google Tag Manager and just put here that value like this. So I have put that value, and make sure that you don't have any gap over here. Okay, so this is the value which I have put. You can even put equals to, and you can directly put URL, but it's totally up to you. I'm teaching you different methods so that it will only going to benefit you. Okay, so friends, I have put the trigger of thank you page, that is page URL of thank you page URL, and that is contains this much. And friends, then click on save. Again, just click on save. So now we have done that. Now friends, let's preview it so that we can see whether it's working or not, and then click on submit. Okay, but before that, let's preview it. Click on preview. Again, put the URL of the website, click on connect. Now we are in our website debug mode. Now you can see when I will click on continue, so here we have different tags. So you can say we have add to cart tag, we have view content tag, and we have this Facebook purchase tag. So to get this tag fired, we need to go to our thank you page again. So we will again going to purchase the product so that I can show it in live practical. So if you will go here and if you will just click on add to cart. Now friends, as you all know that we have created one add to cart tag, so it will be also going to fire. Just wait for some seconds. Okay, you can see it has fired now. Okay, so similarly just click on view cart. Now let's purchase it. Click on proceed to checkout. Select your country, states, and everything, and then click on purchase order. Now friends, we have come to our thank you page. Again, just go to our tag assistant, and now just wait for some seconds. Okay, let's again go here. Just go, and here friends, you can see this Facebook purchase tag has fired. So it won't show, so just click somewhere else and again just click on that summary top, so you will see that tag. Okay, so that means our this thank you page is working absolutely fine. So this is how friends you can create your purchase events. Then after you will do this, just click on submit, name the version name and put the description, and then click on publish. So friends, we have learned how to set up our Facebook pixel with the help of Google Tag Manager. We have teach you how you can track your add to cart and wishlist events. We have told you how you can track content view and how you can track your purchase events. So these are the things which we have taught you. Now friends, in Facebook you will going to get lots of other events. So you can see there are many, for example, add payment information, add to cart, add to wishlist, complete registration, contact, customized products, and there are just many. So you can just play around these things and almost everything is just same. We have teach you with different procedures. You can see first we have teach you with the text trigger, then we have told you with the page URL, and then we have taught you with the page URL contain one. So this example was page URL, and here we are writing equals to, if you guys remember, we are putting the whole URL here, and here we are putting page URL contains. So here I'm just making you guys learn that how you can use different things or tactics to implement your trigger. Okay, so for example, here we have used view page URL. So even you can also use the thank you page with this page URL equals to. But for teaching purpose, I was showing you different ways on how to set up your triggers. Okay, so most probably you guys have learned a lot here. Okay,